Very well. All right, gang, got something for you today that I think you're gonna enjoy. This is the Whizzy Wheel Vinyl Decal Remover. If you've not seen one of these before, it's a pretty straightforward product. What you have in here is these rubber wheels and these chucks, or these receivers that go into the chuck of your drill to help you remove vinyl decals and emblems off of cars and the goal is without damaging the paint of those vehicles. So this works, I mean, pretty simply. You go ahead and put the receiver in the chuck end of your drill, and it's threaded there. Each of these wheels are threaded. You can just screw this in like so. They run up to 4,000 RPM. They work best between 2,000 and 4,000 RPM. You're just using the friction of the rubber on the vinyl to remove the rubber, high enough friction to rub off the decal, the sticker, the adhesive, but not enough to remove the paint. Now, obviously, you're going to want to test that out on a car on a spot test just to make sure. But these wheels are designed to degrade as you use them. As you can see, this one's got a little bit of use on it, to degrade as you use them. And so eventually, you will end up needing to replace it. Also, one of the neat things is because these are designed to wear away, they do tell you on actually the back side of it that there is a stop line. And so once you get to that line, you know it's well beyond time to replace these, let's be honest. But it's a time to stop and replace this before you cause any further damage. Overall, look, if you have a little car detailing service, you need to remove some vinyl decals or something like that, I think you're going to love it. I think this is the way to go. Check them out. They're made by Whizzy Wheel with our vinyl decal remover 2-packs.